Hey, this is Meditation with Renee. I am Renee. I want to thank you for joining me on the 20th day of my 30-day meditation challenge. As always, please find your preferred comfortable seating, maybe on the floor, on a mat like I am, or in a chair or sofa, whatever you prefer. Same thing with your hands. You can rest them on your knees or place them in your lap as I am. If you are ready and you feel comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes. Today's topic is breakup. Breakup can be very difficult. But what I have found through personal experience is that focusing on the past will only lead to more confusion, more heartache. What we must do is focus on the present in terms of what are facts. What do I know for sure as I peel back the layers of my research on myself and the relationship? Because a lot of times we get stuck with thoughts that we have in our mind that may or may not be able to be answered. So it's very important to focus on facts and to take an inventory, like I said, of what we know to be true. So as we do that, please use my sound of my voice as an anchor. You can repeat after me, or you can just say it in your head. I am kind and compassionate with myself. I am kind and compassionate with myself. I am kind and compassionate with myself. I will strive for peacefulness. I will strive for peacefulness. I will strive for peacefulness. What I am feeling is only temporary. What I am feeling is only temporary. What I am feeling is only temporary. Something better is waiting for me. Something better is waiting for me. Something better is waiting for me. Time to focus on my growth. Time to focus on my growth. Time to focus on my growth. It's getting easier every day. It's getting easier every day. It's getting easier every day. I trust this pain will pass. I trust this pain will pass. I trust this pain will pass. I take care of myself. I take care of myself. I take care of myself. I let go of resentment. I let go of resentment. I let go of resentment. I let go of my anger. I let go of my anger. I let go of my anger. I have a lot to offer. I have a lot to offer. I have a lot to offer. I give myself permission to be happy. I give myself permission to be happy. I give myself permission to be happy. I will learn to enjoy spending time with myself. I will learn to enjoy spending time with myself. I will learn to enjoy spending time with myself. I embrace the present moment. I embrace the present moment. I embrace the present moment. I am valuable. I am valuable. I am valuable. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. Okay, everyone. Even if these words don't ring true, keep practicing until they do. Great job. Until next time, please be kind to yourself, to others, and all living things. See you next time.